Am I doing this right? Okay.
Point that way.
All right. Yes, I am filming. Wait. Do that. Nate, do that. No. All right.
I'm feeling it.
We doing whole numbers or?
Yeah.
10-point scale.
300 points.
Get over there. Whole numbers.
I clap, but I'm holding
I don't know if you can
something.
bring much more to the table. TBA.
I gotta give him a chance.
Okay? So,
Come on, Brent.
Nikki's the score to beat. Nikki's the score to beat. It's okay. She already got a poster. She can't get another one.
All right, Brent. Come on.
I love it. Oh. I love it.
I wasn't ready.
Wait, one
Where-
more for the fans. One more for the fans. All right.
Where's my dead wife?
Where's my dead wife?
Yo, I love this kid already.
Just
All right,
four.
let's go. 'Cause that's how many.
It was cliche.
That's how many fingers he held up.
So we get a score of 50 points since we have 2 people.
No, you get the same score, and you'll have to rip the poster in half.
Yes, give me
But,
the solid or not one so I can actually have.
But can we add like,
All right, get on with it.
add like the
Oh, God.
ethnic is floating it out onto the chair.
Phantom Matthew is being summoned.
Oh, praise the sun. Praise the sun.
I love
Building
God
is-
dang, the wrong phrase. Yeah.
Yeah, don't. No. He almost said Al Akbar.
I meant to say I love y'all.
That was a lot. Come on, that's a good Dark Souls.
Yeah, it was.
No, that was Fernando.
Stop summoning personas.
Invaded by Dark Spirit.
9.2. 9.2.
I thought we could do that.
Nice.
You guys did it.
Okay, now can I do one by myself?
Yes.
Alright, Dark
I'm
Spirit.
rounding in
Matthew
whole
has been-
numbers.
Okay, next.
Can I do one
Next.
by myself?
Yes, Nate by himself.
Okay. Okay. What you doing?
I love it. I love it. It's just too good. It's just too good.
Oh my god.
It's just too good. It's just too good.
I'm automatically the winner.
We made it. This is forever on your phone. So I'm sorry. This is why is this?
All sixes.
I just got like
6.66. Should be 6.66.
Don't let him win.
600.
Oh, he's not winning.
Yeah, no.
Those were sixes. Next.
Oh, last year winner. Oh, no.
We were all excited for no reason.
Anime pose.
You got this, best friend.
Alright, I'm B Bloom from Wings.
Don't know who that is.
That's it.
That's good though. We'll laugh at it too.
I don't know.
No, just Stella.
Can you vote as his best friend?
Yes.
Yes, I'll be fair.
All sevens.
Okay.
He's lucky.
Trappy.
Crappy boy.
Trappy.
Let's go.
Trap.
Come on, do the Alex.
Drop it back.
Do the immortal HD.
Okay, so when something really bad happens and you just can't handle it,
No one's gonna understand. No one watches Cal Trappy.
10 out of 10.
That was the worst
I love
performance
it.
I've ever
Love
seen in
it.
my life.
It's called dying.
If I was a judge, I'd
Ashton.
there. Nah, let's go.
Nah, Ashton, you get over here.
And when you get up and it's over, you gotta go.
Ashton.
Ashton boy.
2, 4.
No, we didn't.
Ben, your turn, Ben.
All right, we're not ready. All right, yeah, we're ready. Okay, I guess we're ready.
I'm just taking pictures.
Alright, I'm gonna do the anime depression pose.
Get him out of here. Out.
Please don't give him anything.
I was set. I'm done with mine.
Dang.
Why'd you guys
Me.
me?
I love that
Had a
quote.
terrible day.
Brittany. No, you are. Brittany, come on. Brittany, you're on the camera. You're a star right now.
Okay, next.
You're a star.
2 sig figs.
Sig figs.
There's no next.
There's no next. Miles not returning.
Miles, come on, you're the returning. Come on, I believe in you, man. Go up there and show him what's up.
I can't say the word.
No, Miles, just go up there.
Go up there. Go. Why don't you go up there?
Yes.
I'll judge for you.
Tell Haley she needs to go out there.
Go up there more. Go, Morris.
Morris. I love that already.
Some people say.
But there's no such thing as a Super Saiyan.
Oh! I love you. Oh, I think 9,000.
It's over 9,000!
No.
No, I don't.
Morris, I choose you.
That was great. That was the best thing. Thank you, Flannery. You know what? You got.